LFP Investigation 4. This is the EE3 standard, solving 2 and 3 step equations. The number one, we have 2/3 x is equal to 6. This is multiplication. So to undo it, we can divide by 2/3, or we can multiply by the reciprocal, which would be 3/2. I multiplied both sides by 3/2, and I got 1x is equal to 9. Number two is negative 5x plus 7 equals negative 18. We have addition happening and multiplication. So we're going to first get rid of the addition by subtracting 7 from both sides. And I get negative 5x is equal to negative 25. Now I have to get rid of the multiplication, and I do that by dividing both sides by negative 5. And I get 1x is equal to a positive 5. Negative 25 divided by negative 5 is positive 5. Number 3, we have 23 is equal to negative 9 plus x over 4. We have a subtraction, and we have division by positive 4. So we'll get rid of the subtraction first by adding 9 to both sides. We have 32 is equal to x over 4. Again, this is division. To get rid of that, we need to multiply both sides by 4. And we get 128 is equal to x. Number 4, we have 6x minus 8 is equal to 2x plus 16. This is a 3-step equation because we first have to get all of our variables on one side, and then we can solve the 2-step equation. So I'm going to get rid of the x's on the right side, so I'm going to subtract 2 x's from both sides. And now I have 4x minus 8 is equal to 16. This is a 2-step equation with multiplication of 4 and subtraction of 8. Get rid of the subtraction first by adding an 8 to both sides. I now have 4x is equal to 24. This is multiplication by 4, so to undo that, I'm going to divide both sides by 4, and I get 1x is equal to 6. And finally, number 5, we have 15 plus 3x is equal to 22 plus 10x. Again, we have x's on both sides. So I'm going to get rid of the x's on the left this time. I'm going to subtract the 3x from both sides. Now I have 15 is equal to 22 plus 7x. 2-step equation. We have addition and multiplication by positive 7. So I'm going to subtract 22 from both sides. And now I have negative 7 is equal to 7x. To get rid of that 7, I'm going to divide both sides by 7. And negative 7 divided by 7 is negative 1. And that's equal to your x. I'm not sure if you noticed, but those first 4 problems were 4 that we did in class together. You should have had all of those undoing steps in your notes. Just a moving forward reminder that if you write down the stuff that happens in class, sometimes it'll pay off. Good luck on your retake. If you have any questions, please let me know.